In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your Telus remote with your TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for Slimline Remote 2 Optic TV, turn on your TV. Then we need to set the Telus digital box volume to 25 using the remote. Then go ahead and press and hold the TV button on the remote until the red LED beside it flashes twice. Now we need to go ahead and enter the 4-digit code for your TV brand, for example LG 0015, Samsung 0018, etc, etc. Then test the remote by pressing the power button. If the TV turns off, the pairing was successful. And if the TV doesn't respond, repeat steps 3 and 5 with the next code listed for your brand. Alright, so now for Telus Bluetooth remote, which is the newer model, go ahead and turn your TV on. Then press and hold both the input and OK buttons on the remote for about 3 seconds until the green LED stays on. And then we need to enter the 3-digit code for your TV brand, for example LG and Sharp. Then go ahead and test the remote by pressing the power button. If the TV turns off, the pairing was successful. And if the TV doesn't respond, just go ahead and repeat steps 2 and 4 with the next code listed for your brand.